Daughter calling? Oh, I'll be there in an hour. My daughter wants to see me. Take that, depression.
This is Vaggie. She's my girlfriend.
Oh, my golly. You like girls. Yes, so do I. We have so much in common.
I need to go to the top.
Oh, no. No. No, Charlie. No. That's, no. Wow, this place sure looks, It's got a lot of character. Oh. Hold the applause, please. Okay. Thank you. Oh, God. Who am I kidding? This sucks. Oh, hey, whoa, Kiki. You taking care of my widow girl? You better be.
You might have heard of me from my radio broadcast.
Nope. Oh, this is the first time she's called you in years. This has to be perfect. Hey, bitch!
Ha ha ha! It was actually my idea.
Well, it's not very clever.
Ha ha!